Who am I not to sing your praise? Who am I not to sing your praise?
Success a cappella.
You came down to reign, you died for me. You gave all your wrath that I might have. All the way to Calvary, you went for me. Who am I not to sing your praise? Who am I not to sing your praise? If the birds can sing to you, if the trees can dance to you, if the angels above bow down to you, who am I not to sing your praise? Who am I not to sing your praise? By the mention of your name, every nation's bow to you. By the power in your blood, every tongue will confess. If the dead cannot praise the Lord, let the living praise. Who am I not to sing your praise? Who am I not to sing your praise? Oh Lord, I will sing your praise. All the days of my life I will worship you. In time of joy I will sing your praise. In sorrow and shame I will worship you. Who am I not to sing your praise? Who am I not to sing your praise? If the birds can sing to you, Father, Lord, if the trees every man dance, God will sing to you. If the angels are not bow down to you, who am I not to sing your praise? Who am I not to sing your praise? If the birds can sing to you, if the trees can dance, let the living ones praise your name. Lord, we pray thee. Who am I not to sing your praise?